Hi, this is Emily, and this is my first reflection video. So this chapter 3, talks about the basic legal system. One of the first definitions is of constitution, which is a foundational document that sets forth the basic operating principles of a government, including limits on governmental power. The three branches of government are the executive, which enforces existing laws, the judicial, which interprets the Constitution and other existing laws, and the legislative, which enacts new laws and amends existing ones. The three types of court. The highest court is the Supreme Court. Following that is the Court of Appeals, and lastly, the District Court. And that is the same for state and federal. For federals, the U.S. Supreme Court, the U.S. Court of Appeals, and the U.S. District Court. And for state level, it's California Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, and District Court in that order. A case may only be appealed on the grounds of a legal error, which is an erroneous interpretation of the law or application of legal procedure by the lower court. The following order of a lawsuit. The plaintiff files a complaint, the defendant answers the complaint, then the discovery of evidence, and then the settlement or trial. The two different types of negotiation that involves not going to court are arbitration and mediation. Arbitration is a submission of a dispute to a neutral decision maker for final and binding resolution, and mediation is submission of a dispute to an impartial mediator who assists the parties in negotiating a settlement of the dispute. So arbitration is you both agree on it and send it to the court, and mediation is someone is there to help you come to a decision. Now, we discussed in class about whether or not we thought that the Washington Redskins NFL football team should change their name due to some feeling that it was offensive and a racial slur. And we had a good debate on both sides, and the judges came to the conclusion that they decided that they believe that the Redskins should change their name. And some of the grounds for it for the yes side were that it is coined in the dictionary as a racial slur, and also because it is offensive to many different people. And the concept for the no side was that if they have to change their name, then so do a lot of other teams that could be on the fence as far as which ones are offensive and which ones aren't. Thank you very much.